Hi again, and welcome back to your live TV program to learn some more English language. Now, in that last episode, Anne was quite surprised that Michelle doesn't clean her flat herself. In fact, she said, I see, so you arrange to have your flat cleaned. To have your flat cleaned. Now, that means that somebody else cleans the flat for Michelle. This is very interesting. Well, in fact, that's what I do too. I don't clean my flat myself. Somebody cleans it for me. So I have my flat cleaned every 2 weeks. Now, this is an interesting grammatical form because we use it when we talk about services. We talk about other people who offer us services. Let me give you another example. Hair. I don't cut my hair myself. It's too difficult. I can't do the back. So I go to the hairdressers, and that's a service. So I go to the hairdressers and they cut my hair. And I say, every month I have my hair cut. So that is a grammatical form using the verb have, which describes services. Somebody does something for you, and we can use it, for example, with the hairdresser, with the mechanic. For example, if your car breaks down, usually you go to a mechanic, with cleaners, with the dentist, things like this. So, services. So I'd like to go to the screen now and show you how this works grammatically, because it's very different to other languages. And we're using the verb have. That's why it's called the causative have. Causative in the sense that it causes things to happen, all right? Let's look at the form. Have something done. So in the present tense, you can say, every month I have my hair cut. Now notice, the verb have is in the present form because we can use this grammatical form in any tense. So we start with the verb have, then we have the object. That's important. I have my hair, and then the past participle. Okay, the object is in the middle. So every month I have my hair cut. Another example. Every year I have what? My teeth, past participle, checked. Okay, I have my teeth checked. Every year I have my kitchen painted. Do you see? And every 3 months I have my car serviced. So I go to the mechanic and I have my car serviced. So be careful, because it's terribly important to put the object between the verb have and the past participle. I have my car serviced. Okay? Now, let's move on to the past tense, because, as I said, you can use this form in any tense, past, present, future. So, examples. Last week, I had my eyes tested. So the opticians, that's a service. I had my eyes tested. Yesterday, I had my photograph taken. Often when you need to renew your passport, for example. Last week, I had my dress dry cleaned. Again, that's another service. You don't do it yourself. Somebody does it for you, okay? So the verb have goes into the past. I had something done. And now let's look at the future. Tomorrow, I'm going to have. So here the verb have goes into the future, expressing an intention. So we have, I'm going to have my scooter repaired. All right, object in the middle. Next week, I'm going to have my hair colored. And next week, I'm going to have my passport renewed. All right, so the causative have. Very, very useful, and you don't find this in other languages, so you need to practice it. And remember, first the verb have, then the object, and then the past participle. All right? So that's the causative have, and I think you'll find it very useful. All right? Great. So see you again in the next lesson for some more language. Bye.